Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Ford Escape key fob. To begin, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2200 5-volt coin cell battery. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and quick replacement process, saving you time and effort. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the casing. Gently insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. The goal is to expose the battery compartment. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. This helps ensure correct installation of the new one. Carefully remove the old CR 2200 5-volt battery. Then, insert the fresh battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a secure click, indicating they are properly sealed. Once reassembled, take a moment to test the key fob's functionality with your vehicle. Confirm that it locks and unlocks the doors as expected. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.